Hello guys, Datta Tule this side, digital growth expert and funnel building and Facebook ad expert. So basically I welcome you to this video lesson here. So basically I will be teaching you how to build marketing machine that generate lead 24/7, and exactly I will take you behind the scene, and in this long video, long lesson, basically this is from my internal training. I'm telling you, this is my internal training. People pay me 20,000 30,000 rupees for this kind of training, but मैं आपको in this module I will be sharing with you how I use marketing machine to get leads and convert them into paying customer 24/7. I'm sure you are watching on the Facebook or YouTube right now. I'm sure if you watch this video and implement step by step, I want you to please take massive action, pause, implement and share your learning. Okay, so I would like to please now move back to that video and watch complete video in one sitting. It will take over the 1 hour, might be 1 घंटा लगेगा. So please watch completely, take massive action and share in the comment box below your learning. Okay, thank you very much. Let me take you on to that video. धन्यवाद. Awesome. So welcome to this mastermind call. This is a weekly charging point, and like basically today's topic is all about marketing automation to robust your sales and business. I will be sharing some behind the scene. Basically I will be having question answer, and I will share some of the tools like which I am using, a high level overview, so that I don't want to confuse you guys, but how I am doing, I will give you the overview within next 1 hour. 40 to 50 minutes. I want to please make a lot of notes so that we can grow, and I will tell you behind the scene what I am doing right now. How we have two people only, me and my like assistant coach Sachin Lagas. We are doing crazy things. Okay, awesome. So let me take you on my screen quickly here what we are going to cover today. Anyway, I have some cool updates. Awesome. So basically today I want to tell you that I will not like code of honors. We have code of honor and everything there, question answer to hone wala hi hai. So basically we have this code of honor like freedom, growth, clarity, efficiency, speed of implementation, abundance, transformation and anything. But now I want to jump into today. Basically I want to jump directly focus topic, marketing automation for maximum ROI. Okay, I want to jump into directly topic here directly today. So basically today I will bring email automation and then funnel building. Okay, so which tool I am using, how I am using. Within 1 hour I will tell you how to build the funnel and how to automate email and ATC. Okay, if all of you are ready, just type in comment box ready steady. Okay, ready steady. Post, like let me tell you email automation we will set up in the next 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, we will set up out a ConvertKit account, like email automation. I will tell you how to set up your basic account. Beside that one, how to send emails. Like let me tell you here quickly. 30 minutes, like next 10 minutes. I'm telling you how I am doing. How I'm doing. I will tell you. I will take you in my account and I will show you how I'm doing. Okay. So basically, how to set up, how to build the list, and so many things in front of you. Okay. So basically what I will be doing, how to build the list, right? Build the list of your clients as per, this is the advanced step actually I'm doing in my automation mastery setup challenge and diamond level. Build the list, how to send email broadcast. Okay, broadcast. Then like how to do integration, like so many basically send automation, basic automation I will teach you. Basic automation, like if anybody registered they should get email. Then tag management, how to manage your tags, like tag management in the sense, let me just, all of you see my screen guys? All of you see my screen? Just type in comment box super awesome, super awesome. I want to over deliver guys. Nobody's teaching, not normally this is in my advanced course, but I want to teach you all of this. Okay, email automation, then tag management. We will be having like tag management, basic automation of email, basic email automation. That will be part, how to build the list, how to send emails, then integration, like integration with ClickFunnels or any other tool. I'm telling you, ClickFunnels I will be guide. Okay, so first of all, now time started. First of all, let's do one thing here. Integration with ClickFunnels. So these are some points I will be doing you ClickFunnels. So guys, before that one, I'm telling you, before that, let's understand the concept. Okay. So how many believe that one? Money is in follow-up. Money is in follow-up. We have two choices. Either we can hire so many people or implement systems. Implement system which work 24 by 7. Okay. Second part, the system work consistently. Now my question to all of you. See guys, how many of you would like to have a superhero on your team? Superhero on team who work 24 by 7. He send email, automation, get you the leads and everything, most of the things. You have only couple of team members and the system is working like crazy. You don't need to hire so many people, like 10 people, 20 people and so many things, right? This system can work for you like crazy. So right now I'm showing you quickly, like I will show you my flow. I will show you my flow and after that one, how you can set up. Okay, how you can set up, how you can set up. How many of you set up the email account? How many of you set up email account? Type in comment box. There is some basic requirement. How many of you set up basic requirement? I told you last week. You need to do that one. So now is like 7:40 till 7:50 हम लोग करेंगे. Okay, till 7:50 हम लोग करेंगे. उसके बाद में I will be telling you. So first of all, that part is there. Let me tell you. Let me take you on my screen quickly. Guys, if you see here live, I have multiple accounts. I will show you some crazy parts. Suppose I have this ConvertKit I'm using. Some demo account. I have some demo account also, and everything is there. If you guys see here, like all of you, if you see my screen, like I'm getting hundreds of lead, like hundreds of lead every day. I'm chatting with them. You see here, like this is my different account, but if you see 4,000 leads, open rate is this one. Today I have received 63 leads. You see here 63 leads, 100 lead, 120 lead, and so many things are going on right now. Okay, this is a lead, but I am using ConvertKit account. In case you have not created account, I want to tell you one thing here. Okay, I'm sharing one link in the comment box. Yes, in case you have not created account, let's do email automation. I will tell you how to send email and everything. Okay, then we will connect with Convert ClickFunnels, dattaToday.show/ConvertKit. There's a free account. You can create free account for now. All of you, I just shared the link here. Link in the comment box I have shared. In case you have not set up, or if you're watching replay, go below. And I'm just opening that link. ConvertKit is the #1 tool I'm using. We have tested so many tools. Market ke andar, MailChimp, GetResponse, and so many tools are there. But if you want to do advanced automation, the ConvertKit is a beast. Okay, oh, guys, wait 1 second, guys. I'm telling you, this is not the link. ConvertKit. Once again, dattaToday.show/ConvertKit. Okay, I will tell you correct link in the comment box. I'm sharing correct link because even though if you generate, guys, second wala correct link hai. Second wala. Even though if you are doing marketing, you are generating leads or anything, as I told you last time, money is in the list. पैसा जो है लिस्ट के अंदर है, right? You can create your setup. You can set up your account ConvertKit के अंदर. This is my affiliate link, and basically you can create your free account. You can sign up for free. And if you are moving from another tool, click on that one, select any other tool if you are using that one. If you are new, and then you can select I'm just starting on. If you are moving from another tool, select on that one part. If you have any other tool like GetResponse and anything, you can select that part and create your account. Why I'm telling you, all digital marketers, Siddharth, and so many all leading my coaches, they are using ConvertKit. I tried so many tools and the ConvertKit is the best. Okay, Vijay, I will be answering questions. Don't worry. Okay, all of you, I will be answering questions. So basically, how many of you are just following me? Just type in comment box, following. Just create free account. Okay, they have up to 1,000 subscriber. You can have that part. Once your account is done, come back and type in comment box, account creation done. Yes, already done. Awesome, Dhirendra. Awesome. Great. Because that's important part. I will be showing you live demonstration today how to use that one. Okay, कैसे use करते हैं मैं वो बताने वाला हूँ आपको मैं. One second, what's happening? It's working slow little bit. Okay, you can do that part here. Basically, in my case, I don't know what's happening here. You can select any other tool. Like if you want to select any other tools, I mean, I don't know what's wrong with my tool. Or in case you are just starting on, just click on the starting off. And if you have website, see landing pages. If you are using any other tool, you can mention like ClickFunnels or whatever you are using, website using. What describes yourself, who you are. If you are a marketer, YouTuber, you can select that part. Suppose I'm a marketer, I'm continue. Enter your email address and password. That's it. Okay. Dhirendra Singh, I will be teaching you today how to use that one. Okay, today I will be doing that one. All of you, have you created account? Once done, come back and type in comment box. Done. Go and create your account now, because I will be showing you live demo, and I want you to work with me. Okay, done. All of you done? Dhirendra, I will tell you how to use that one. Okay, awesome. I will tell you how to use today. Basic automation, I will tell you. I have the advanced course also, but today I will tell you how to use it. Okay, awesome. So basically, once that is done, you can just go. I will just log in. I will give a couple of minutes. I will just give a couple of minutes, and मैं आपको आज बताऊंगा कि how to use that basic, all of you details. Okay, everyone done? Like I'm seeing this, so many people are there. Free account create करना है. Abhishek, Alok, Chandrasekhar, Darshan Singh, Dilip Nayak, Prachi, Prakash. Create free account, guys. Priyadarshani. All of you just type in comment box. Free account creation done. What you have to done? It's a free account, guys. Free account creation done. You can go and explore that one. That is the part I'm telling you. Okay. Once that is done, because देख के कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Okay. Once that is done, in case you have already signed up, otherwise you can keep this link. You have to log in into your account. Guys, do you need some time here? I'm just signing out. I'm just signing on for my account. Do you need some time? Guys, anyone need time here? I want you to do with me. Okay? Anyone need time? 30 seconds. Ready? All of you, if you are ready, just type in comment box ready. Just follow my steps. Okay? Awesome. Great. I assume that one you have created your account. Let's go. I'm just logging into my account now. I already created. Login with your username, password, and if you see here after login, you will be able to see like this part. This is my free account demo for. Basically, I want you to do one thing here. You can go to your profile. All of you watching me? Sachin, awesome. Sachin Kole. Awesome. So basically you can go to profile here, set up your account setting, profile के अंदर profile setup करो पूरा, like your company name and other things. You can do that part. Email के अंदर you can add your branded email. Guys, basically what is recommended, I created with my free Gmail account, but branded email is recommended. All of you just type in comment box point noted. Okay. Branded email is required. You can create on Google Shoot, or in case you have the hosting, you can do that one, 100 rupees per month, and you can do that part. I'm having branded email, Datta Tule. If you see here, connect@dattatule.com, I'm having. You can do that part there. Point noted. Use branded email for sending email. Don't send from Gmail. If you see here, you are using free email address. This can negatively impact on delivery. So don't use that one. You can go in here. You can add email address, provide like whatever maybe. Suppose I'm having support@dattatule.com. You can add that part. In case you don't know how to create everything, that is you can go and figure out. Okay, in your website. Otherwise, you can use G Suite. Okay, G Suite by Google. You can use that part one. Even though in my Autopilot setup challenge, I have explained everything. Okay, you can create on G Suite 100 rupees per month, something like they have the plan. If you see here, they have Google ka hai pura. You can create by if you see here 100 and 125 rupees. You can use that part also. And then you can connect with your part. That is done. Okay, you can go and explore all these things here. That is done. So once that is done, see guys, there are subscribers. There are subscriber in the sense, okay, all of you done account. Awesome, great. So subscriber in the sense, people who register, right? People who register, they have option. So what I will do doing right now, let's go and create automation now. See, account creation done, right? First topic. Now let's understand how to build the list. List equal to जो हमारे लोग होते हैं, हमारे client होते हैं, that is the list building. Okay. So basically, how to build the list? Let's understand. Basically, this is the list, like how to build this. This is all about like tagging. I'm just removing this one. So inside ClickFunnels, what you can do here, subscriber in the sense, आपके जितने भी subscriber है, you can see here all of them. Automation, I will teach you basic automation. I will be teaching you. मैंने कुछ create किया है already, but I will tell you how to do that one. इसके लिए आपको paid plan होना चाहिए, like $19 something. That's fine. But in the free plan, you can do that. Landing, they have the basic landing pages you can explore. But the ConvertKit is the power of ConvertKit is only email. Okay, email broadcast. You can send broadcast email. I will tell you how to send them and so many things. So first step, guys, in subscribers at the left side, subscriber, you can create tag. Guys, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है tag option, tag. In ConvertKit, tag equal to your list. Guys, so what is the list I'm telling you? Let me go on my screen quickly. Dosto, if you see here my screen, all of you see my screen? All of you see my screen? Yes. So I want to explain this quickly. Yogesh Verma, awesome. You will get access today. If you see here, this is like one of my mentors' blueprint. इसके अंदर he teaches some part. Like if you see, there are traffic sources, like traffic sources. It can be like so many traffic sources like Facebook, YouTube, organically, influence building, referral. So many things are there. But the only getting traffic is not important. If you see here is the landing page that I will teach you in the second part, how to build the landing page. After landing page, you have to build the list. If you see here, this is the email list. In email list also, he called it data aggregation. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई भी डेटा आता है, फेसबुक से कितना आया, पेड कस्टमर कितना है, then how many paid customer, prospect client, prospect lead, or level 1 customer, level 2 customer. You can do that one. Like you can create different bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3. What will be happening? 1, 2, 3. So you are separating customer. So that blueprint, this is $1 million idea. Guys, what is this one? All of you just type in comment box, $1 million idea. कोई भी कस्टमर आता है, सबको हम लोग मिक्स नहीं रह सकते. इसके लिए inside ConvertKit, if you see in the ConvertKit, we can create the tags. Okay, create tags. I already created some of them. $1 million idea. Yes, guys. So I have already created some of them like customer 01, prospect client, webinar attendee, webinar leads, webinar miss. You can click here and create tag. Okay, and just click tag. Suppose webinar leads 01 test. I'm just creating. Okay, I'm just creating tag leads just for testing purpose. Okay, I will be able to see here. Then I will be create one more, like suppose level 1, like level 1 customer. I have suppose level 1 product, customer level 1. Customer level 1, silver 1. I will create something like this. If anybody become my customer, I'm just creating. So you have to create that customer. How many of you are following me? Sheetal, I'm showing you. Do you see here? I'm showing you. That is the thing I'm showing you. What are you looking for? Sheetal Deshmukh. मैं वही तो बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. Okay, you can go here and here is the option create and give the names. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे create किया already. Sheetal, got it? Awesome. So this tag has to be created. Once tag is done, second part I want to tell you quickly here. In the go to the landing pages and form, guys. Go to the landing pages and form, and you have to create one form. Like I already created form here. I'm already having forms here, but you can go here and create form. Okay, that I was showing you second part. The tag management, you can create different list equal to tags. Okay, second part. I will tell you basically That part is the different part, but I will tell you how to create the tags. Basically, you have to create the tags. I'm telling you, create the form. Create the form, which you can integrate on the website or any other. Create the tags. Okay, you can create the tag. Basically, not tag, form. Okay, form you can create. So here is the option, like if you go here, subscriber and landing pages and forms. Even though they have basic landing pages, you can test out. Okay, all of you just note down this link. Keep this link handy. Even though they have some landing pages, you can explore basic landing pages they have. But here is the click on the create form, and first option create form, because form in the sense there is कोई purpose नहीं, आप website पे डाल सकते हो, लेकिन I'm telling you form के अंदर click करो. You can create basic form, inline, outline, whatever you want. Like I'm creating a model. So I'm just creating one clear form. Whatever you want to create, you can create. But I'm creating basic here, clear form. Choose. And this form has been created. Like I want to add some field, email address is I want to add some name also. That is done. And inside the form, there is, if you go to the setting here, in the setting right side, setting, everything is there already. Do one thing here only, keep everything same. Go to the incentive. In incentive, please remove this one, remove checkbox. Matlab, if anybody register, they have to double opt-in, double check. Just save that one, that's it, done. Save form. Okay. The form has been created. If you go to the form again, this form is already there. I just created this form right now. Okay, I just created form, clear form. I'm just renaming this one. Edit. I will just edit, and I will give some cool name like test. Right, test form. Okay, test demo. I'm just giving the demo. You can add this form or anywhere you want to, like embed with your HTML, JavaScript, WordPress. In case you want to add on the website, you can do that part, but just option here. We don't need anything there. Form. Now, second part, यहाँ पे आता है broadcast. Broadcast part. Now let's understand the broadcast. How to send email. A clear form हो गया है. How to send broadcast. In the broadcast, what you can do? Broadcast के अंदर, broadcast in the sense you can send message to all. Like in case I'm sending a reminder for my upcoming webinar, anything, you can create on the new broadcast. I can select my email address. Like I also put this email, the Tatule, कहाँ से भेजना है, subscribers. I'm just sending all for now, but you can choose here. किसको भेजना है, किसको नहीं भेजना है. All subscriber. If you want to change, you can change. You can just go here and filter. Like if you want to filter, add all subscriber. If you want to send specific, you can select here, subscribe to form or tag. In case I'm selecting tag, and I'm selecting suppose tag, I have suppose so many tags, right? Webinar leads. Suppose I'm adding webinar leads, boom, add filter. So basically this will send, I have already 2 subscribers, that's it. Go next. I'm giving test, okay, test broadcast. I'm giving test broadcast. Okay, done. Next step. And I'm just here. You can do whatever you want, like new email subject line, like congrats. Whatever you want to mention, you can use congrats. Welcome, like suppose congrats. You are in. You can mention something like that one. Okay. Here you can write whatever you want to write here. Like plus I'm doing hey, hello, hey Datta. Or Datta mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है. He mention here and click on the plus button, guys. Click on the plus button. Here is the option, like you can add button and so many things, but click on the personalization and add to email. It will take you, hi Datta, subscriber name, it will pick up, and congratulations for registering to my upcoming webinar. Like I'm telling you, registering to my upcoming masterclass, product, service. Like you can mention anything, guys. I'm giving some masterclass. In case you have product, if anybody buy your product, you can mention, hey, congrats, thanks for the purchasing. You can give some instruction there. Whatever you want. Like if you see here my email, I'm telling you in my Gmail, you can figure out that one. Okay. Like anyone here, I get that part is there. Like anyone here, they get email like congrats, thanks for the registration. If you see here one of my email like, hey, awesome, thank you very much for, you can mention all these things. I'm just copy pasting here. like email, free access to not. If you want to give some, guys, you have to work on that part. If I want to add button, I can add the button here, plus add the button, plus and add the button here, like button. Okay, I'll add the button here. Here is your Zoom link. Okay, I'm adding button there. Guys, are you loving this training? And I can add the link here. Suppose I have this and the URL, I will add that one. Okay, I will take the left. Done. Awesome. Let's meet live. Something like that one, whatever, like cheers, Datta. Okay, guys. This is the email autoresponder I have created. You can create so many things, whatever you want. Save and continue. I'm saving. Next. If I want to send now, I can send people like, I want to send immediately, I can send immediately. If I want to schedule, I can schedule, like suppose I want to send tomorrow morning, I can schedule at 5 a.m., whatever may be like. Or unschedule, you can do unschedule, I want to send immediately, I can send immediately. Okay? All of you clear so far? Just type in comment box, super clear. You might need to watch this video again. Simple, both simple. Just like guys, you are using email. All of you just type in comment box, super clear. Just like you send email in Gmail के अंदर जैसे email send करते same option. Hello. Need review. Yeah, you can, but at least concept, Rakesh, you might go and watch this again. You need to watch couple of times. That's okay. So this is how you send the emails. Like I told you steps here. All of you. Yes, Prachi. That's the reason I told you. All of you just create account. You have to practice once. मैंने जो आपको link दिया, you have to practice one. Definitely you can add image, Shital, you can do add logo, image, everything you can do there. All options are, you can go and explore. Everything is there, okay? You can explore that part. Okay, so let's move forward quickly. We've done that part one. Now basic email automation I will tell you in the next part here. Now integration with ClickFunnels. So how do you integrate with the ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels में कैसे connect करते हैं? Let's understand that one. So basically, now if you see here, I want to tell you here quickly. In your ConvertKit account, if you go profile, your account setting. In account setting, here you will get some API key. This API key you have to put there. Integration, you can get API key and API secret. So what I will do, I will go to my ClickFunnels account. Now I am connecting this with ClickFunnels, right? If anybody register, before that one, I want to tell you quickly. Before that one, I'm telling you, if you see here, all of you, let's do some integration first. Integration in the sense, communication between two tools. Okay, suppose I'm logging into my ClickFunnels account. In case you are not created, you don't have demo account, click on the link below and you can create your account also. Okay. Now what I will do, I will log into my account quickly. And awesome. What I will do, I will go to this Datta tool account setting. In account setting at left side, there is an option called integration. No matter which tool you are using, but you can do that one. ConvertKit, Sangharsha. But a GetResponse is good to get started. ConvertKit is the best. Full automation, easy to use and everything. Okay, I'm moving from ConvertKit. I'm moving from GetResponse to ConvertKit. If you see here, a brand new Autopilot challenge. Okay, brand new Autopilot setup challenge launching today. I have recorded amazing kick-ass setup challenge. Okay, in the Diamond Gold membership. So here on the integration, if you click on the integration part, in integration, you have to click on add new integration. In add new integration, select ConvertKit. Okay, you can find all apps here. Everything is there. Click ConvertKit. In ConvertKit, you have to give suppose name. I already have the integration. I will tell you here Datta's demo like ConvertKit test 1. I will add here and you have to add the API key. You have to go here, ConvertKit, copy this API key. Okay, copy this API key and type in comment box. Done. Integration add. So basically, you can add the integration code. If you see here below, I have so many tools, Ever Webinar. This test, you will be able to see this integration part. इसका मतलब यही है. Now, ConvertKit and ClickFunnels are married now. They can communicate to each other. Okay, they can communicate to each other. Awesome. So so far action for you, like set up your account, guys. Set up your account, ConvertKit, and now we will switch the gears. Okay, I'm just giving link here. In case you are not created your demo account, please create that one. Dopo ConvertKit. Okay, ConvertKit. Awesome. Save this link in case you are not created. How many of you have created account? Just type in comment box, I am ready. I am ready. All of you just type in comment box, I am ready. Because now I will switch the gears and I will tell you how to use that one. Like basically how to create your landing page in next 5 minutes. You can use any other tool. I'm just sharing what I am using. Okay, guys. You can use any other tool. That is not a problem in case you are busy using any other tool. But these tools I am using, you know to do trial and error. These are the best tools we have tested, guys. We have tested hundreds of tools. All of you just note down in the point. As a digital marketer, me, Siddharth, and so many people, we have tested so many tools in the market. What is working for us, it will work for you. Okay, awesome. So now your ConvertKit is done. How to send, I told you. And even though, guys, if you want to learn more, you know, if you want to learn more, I will tell you inside ConvertKit, if you go here, they have world class. Listen to me. They have world class support, guys. World class. Just send message, chat with them. I'm getting started, or how to send email, how to learn. Everything is there. Okay, all of you, they have amazing. They have amazing support. They will guide you. Okay, awesome. That part is there. Type in comment. But under integration, only 2 options coming. HTML, ClickFunnels internal. I don't know, Darshan, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Watch the video again. You can do ClickFunnels internal. No, not internal. Like only integration. Only integration. Darshan Singh, only integration. If you see my screen, don't do internal nahi. Only integration part. In setup, if you go to the setup here in ClickFunnels setups, integration. Integration first part, integration only. Okay, that you have to look out. Not email integration, this integration, and click on that one. That part is there. Default add new, that is the part there. Okay, now I will not go back. You might watch this video again. Okay, you might watch video this again. Now I'm telling you here now to how to move forward. Let's create your landing page. Are you ready for the landing page creation? In the next 30 minutes, guys, next 30 minutes, I will tell you how to build your landing page and connect with your ConvertKit, and send automated email. Send automated email or ATC. I will tell you just. For some of you, might be new things. What's going on? This is going on my head, but it's okay. Just observe. Okay, all of you excited? Yes. In case if you are using any other tool, I'm okay with that one. Just note down the strategies. Okay, awesome. So what I'm doing right now, I'm giving you in case you have not created your account, ClickFunnels, I'm telling you, in case you have not created your account, in case you don't have an account, I just shared the link. What you can do, you can create your 14 days trial account. I will tell you how to use and everything. That part is there. I have just given the link below. In case you are using any other tool, I'm okay with that one. But definitely this is the best tool I'm using, Funnel. You can start your 14 days trial, click on the link below, or you can go to dattatoday.show/clickfunnels and start your 14 days trial. Okay, only 14 days trial. You can just enter your name, email address here, enter your email address, like whatever you want, start building my first funnel. I'm already having account, guys. I'm already having account. So they have the like 14 days trial. You can click on that part and you are ready to go. That is I'm telling you, any free tool is there for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, I'm not telling you that is the tool only. Can you create landing page with Sangarsh? Definitely you can create and try. You can just try out that one. But definitely the funnel builder, the landing page builder is the ClickFunnels or any other tool. That is the best tool I'm telling you. Okay. How can you change funnel already in the use? New funnel in ClickFunnels. How can we change? Darshan Singh, your question is not clear. Already in use with new funnel in ClickFunnels. You can create new funnel. You can change the link. Okay, you can change the link, that part. So basically, I want to tell you here, help one. I'm just creating help one. You can just start building your funnel. Okay. So basically, what you can do right now, I'm just telling you here, in case you don't have, click on that part. They have different, like they will show you default $297 plan, but you don't need that one. Okay, initially, I want you to create, guys. If you see here, they are giving you some pop-up. Giving you pop-up. I'm telling you 1 second. 1 second. They are giving you pop-up. You have to enter your email address and anything there. Awesome, guys. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, you got to just create build my funnel. And I will tell you how to build your funnel quickly. Okay. So what I will do, here is the thing. Wait, you have to start, you have to choose the 19th place. You can just create 14-day trial. Explore that one. If you have any other tool, I have no problem. But you can create 14 days trial. Click my free trial, $97 wala free trial. You can enter your email address, credit card, and everything. They will not charge you anything for $97. Okay. To replace existing keys funnel in the new. You can do that part. What is the different ConvertKit and G Suite functionality? Sital, I don't know that one. ConvertKit is a special email software that is having automation, that is having marketing automation, everything. Nanda Kishore, you can try out, no problem. You can try out. Definitely you can try out. But whatever the feature inside ClickFunnels has, there is no another tool. Okay, awesome guys. I'm just telling you, you can start that part once you have the account. Once you have account, I hope you have the links. And you can create, in case you can create now or later, I will share some funnels, or you can click on the link below and import some funnels. I will be giving you some ready-made funnels. Definitely guys, two things. 1,000 subscriber. In ConvertKit, you can have up to 1,000 subscriber for free. In ConvertKit, you can have up to 1,000 subscriber free. So guys, I'm telling you, there are some tool in the market. Some tool are all in one. Like सब कुछ उसके अंदर ही होता है. Or there are some special like for online learning portal, Teachable, for your website, like for ConvertKit is the best for email. Second part for funnel building, like ClickFunnels. There are so many other tools you can explore. I'm telling you what I am using best. Okay, so जो best tool है, तो go for the best. If somebody is doing everything in the mix, they don't have that functionality. They don't have the reliability. Then they don't have all that functionality. All of you just type in comment box specialty guys. If they charge you more, that is fine. I'm okay with that one. Okay, all of you just type in comment box standard. And guys, anyway, it's your call, right? Standard, type in comment box standard, best, or you can type in best, whatever you want, like best. If you want to build $1 million business, if you want to grow like crazy, if you want to do crazy things, then you have to go for the best right now. Okay, and you can just create your free trial account, guys. Free trial account. Don't worry about that one. ConvertKit, you can create free account. And the ClickFunnels, you can create 14 days trial account. Then after that, $97 ClickFunnels. They are having 2,000 rupees something. You can go and explore. Okay. Yes, awesome. So let's go on my screen. I assume you have created account. Now I will tell you. I will log into my ClickFunnels account. Let's build your funnel in the next 5 minutes. Okay, next 10 minutes. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm having so many funnel, guys. If you see here, if I go to the ClickFunnels, I can have up to, guys, मेरा plan है $97 का. I'm having $97 plan. I have 20 funnels. 20 funnel, guys. You see here, I have 20 funnels. Crazy thing. 20 is not a joke. Okay, 20 is not a joke. In case you are doing webinar, I will give some link here quickly. I will tell you how to create your funnel in the 5 minutes. Or suppose here, I'm having demo funnel here. I have so many sales funnel, webinar funnel, product funnel, or anything. Suppose I have this demo funnel. Settings. You can even import this page. मैं यहाँ पे एक link दे रहा हूँ हमारा funnel का ready-made funnels. You can import this funnel in your account. Suit and ConvertKit. Sital, I don't know. तो जीमेल का बस ईमेल के लिए वहां पे फ्री अकाउंट क्रिएट कर सकते हो. ConvertKit का आप जाके एक्सप्लोर करो. आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑटोमेशन, लिस्ट बिल्डिंग, शीतल, लिस्ट बिल्डिंग, ऑटोमेशन, broadcasting, and everything is there in the ConvertKit. Okay, ConvertKit is the email automation software. Okay, email software is there. Definitely you can have one more funnel. Okay, I told you you can have 20 funnels. You can have 20 funnels. So now let's build your funnel. How many of you are ready? I will share the link also. Even I have shared the links. There are many funnels. Once you log into ClickFunnels, go to the funnels, or let's build your funnel. Build the funnel. Guys, now focus here. All of you just focus. I will tell you how to build your funnel. You can go to the ClickFunnels, build funnel. Even though I'm sharing you some 10 templates, funnel, build funnel. You can use Cookbook process, or you can use Classic Builder. What I will do, I will use Cookbook. Start Cookbook. Like they have some ready-made funnels. The amazing thing, guys. If you see in the cookbook, I see so many funnels. Industry like author, speaker, coach, professional services, retail, e-commerce, B2B, network marketing, other guys. They have so many things. Suppose I am in author, speaker, or you are in any B2B or network, you can select your thing. Industry, I'm selecting industry. Type of funnel, I want to generate leads. I'm creating generate leads. This will show you me so many funnel, guys. Okay, show me funnel. Step 2, now I want to have like they have squeeze page funnel, ask campaign, survey funnel, breeze funnel, live demo funnel, lead magnet. So what I'm doing, lead magnet. I'm clicking a select funnel, lead magnet. I want to, you can go and explore, guys. Crazy things, world class. Guys, if they are charging you X amount, this is a crazy tool. Okay. So basically lead magnet funnel, Russell will explain. And there are so many free funnels. If you see here, so many free funnels, everything is there. You can select on any funnel. Like let's talk about, let's take this funnel, lead magnet. Right now, you can click on this get funnel, and within a one click, if you see here, this funnel is there. Amazing, like thank you page, awesome, like get this funnel free. Even though everything is there, you can do all part there. You can do all lead magnet funnel and everything there. You just click on the get this funnel, and it will be added into your account, guys. It will be added into account. It's free. Normally, designer charge, guys, all of you, the graphic designer, web designer, they charge you 10,000, 20,000, 25,000 rupees for all these templates are high converting, tested and anything. You can click on the get this funnel. I'm not going to because mera pura already full ho chuka hai. So what I will do, I have just created some JSON funnel. Let me just cookbook. I just imported. After that, you will be able to see your funnel here. Suppose I'm doing here JSON funnel, lead magnet funnel. And they have two pages like thank you page and like lead magnet thank you page. Let modify, guys. This iske andar stats say, contact say, these tools are really crazy. These tools are really crazy. Amazing things are there. You can see all contacts and everything. But now let's go to steps. In the steps, suppose they have checklist like funnel steps. I have this lead magnet, thank you page and everything. Let's go and click on the edit page. I want to modify, right? Okay. Once you click on the modify, here in the editor, both easy, guys. In the editor, if you see here, they have sections, raw, column, elements, preview, save, anything. What I'm doing here, what I will do, right now, I will remove everything from here. I will remove everything. They have the default thing here. I will remove. I'm just click delete this one. I will just delete everything. If you see here, everything blank, guys. Everything is blank here. So there are two things. First thing is all about like, this is the, you can add new raw here, or in, this is the like below. If you see here, iske baaju mein yellow circle hai, like basically green signal hai, green signal. I mean to say, you can click on this add new raw, own column, and I just click on this one like add new element. I want to add headline, add new element. If you see here, this orange button present element. In element, they have like headline, sub headline, paragraph, bullet point, and everything is there. If you see here, button, pop-up, inputs. That's why this countdown timer, minutes, day timer, icon, image, everything is there having. You see here, crazy things. Facebook share, you can add the code and everything. Right now I'm adding a headline. You see here, headline I'm adding. After that one, I want to add one more thing. I can duplicate. And I want to add one more element, sub headline. Then I want to add video. Suppose I will add one column. Click on this element. I want to add video here. Video, right? I want to add video. Then I want to add button here, element, plus on this button. And you can play with this one like button. I will adding this button here. I want to add some 3 secret. I want to add some more column like plus. And I will add in 3 columns like I don't know what they will be learning. I will click on the plus button, headline, or something like that one. Then I can add some couple of more video, like 2 columns below, or I can add 1 column here, like sub headline again. I can click on this plus button, and I want to add some like about me, 2 columns. I will add 2 columns like, if you see here, everything is done here. Like you can play with this one. You can click like this one. You can create, if you want to change anything here, you can change at the bottom here. Like you want to change anything here, you can change this part, your company and anything. You can add your video. Suppose I'm adding, let's do guys. Suppose I have this funnel quickly. I will go back. You have to save here, guys. You have to make sure you have to save all these things here. Okay, guys, are you with me so far now? I'm just going here in my funnel. Suppose I will click any funnel. Suppose this demo funnel is already there. I will just copy paste. I will copy paste some part there. I will copy paste some part. Suppose I have this already funnel. I already shared the link below. You can copy like this one. You see here, everything is there. So let me show you quickly here, because I don't want to waste my. I'm just having pre-headline. I will go to this funnel quickly. I will just copy paste quickly. And just one funnel lead magnet. This is going on here. Go on your edit funnel, edit page. Both easy, guys. I want to change this pre-headline. Suppose I want to change attention. I want to just change this one. Okay, attention. I will just copy this, right? Reveals, next level. I just change this color. If I want to change color, guys, attention, brand new formula, reveal this. I want to change color. You can click on this module here. Click on that section, get to this gear button. All of you. Definitely you can remove. You can archive that one. Darshans, you can archive. That's fine. Here you can click on this gear button here. I want to change color, like background color. I want to change like little bit red. You see here, I want to make it red. Done. I want to add a headline. I will just copy headline from here. I will just copy headline. I have the headline ready, right? I will just copy this headline. Awesome. You can change the headline whatever you want. You want to change. If you click on this section here, yellow, orange, you can bigger size. You can make it big. If you want to select font, you can select the font. Awesome, guys. If you want to have sub headline, I will add some sub headline. Like awesome, guys. Basically, these are all things you can do quickly in the ClickFunnels. There's a beautiful things you can do part. Awesome. Now this is a video, a foolproof system. This one. I'm just clicking on this video now. I want to add video. Click on this gear button. Dosto, this main, if you select on this column, basically this blue means that section is there. Like the blue color presents that particular element, guys. That particular element or that particular row, it present section. Okay. But if you click on this video, orange, the orange color is popping. You see orange color means you can modify that one. Click on that gear button. I want to some theme, like I want to make it small. I want to make it like red or something. I want to make it red, or I want to black it background. You can check anything, amazing things. I want to make it little bit small. Like I want to make it little bit small, right? You think, guys, crazy? I will go to YouTube here, and you can get any of your video if you want. Like Datta Tule, you can take any of your marketing video. Datta Tule.
Grow your digital performance and ROI with Taboola. Online marketing is a.
Datta Tule is there. Like I can pick up any of my any of my video. Like if I have some sales video, I can pick up from there. Okay, sales video. Suppose I have some videos. One principle. I can pick up this one, guys. Okay, I can pick up this video. In case you have the sales video, you can copy that video and paste it here. Copy that link, YouTube video. Inside this one, you can click on this video gear button, and here is the option like video type. You can have Vimeo, YouTube, anything. I can YouTube. I may YouTube click link. I'm giving YouTube link. That's it. Plus done. Save. I want to give some ad button here. Call to action. I will just click on that button. Gear button. Same. I want to make it little big. Thoda big karna hai. I want to have this. Suppose I want to use this this thing only. Like claim your VIP pass for free. Suppose something like that one. Or like claim your pass now, or something like free. Claim your free pass. Okay, now, okay. I can add the button here. In this button, I can make it small, big. I can change color. In case I want to change color, I've been changing color here. I want to change color, button color, anything I can do that one part. If you want to make it small, I can make it small, right? You see here, small, I can do that part. In this one button, I want to do some call to action. Click here, set action. I can open up the pop-up or anything. If I have some pop-ups here, like show pop-ups, I have this pop-up. You see here? And if you go here, pop-up, below settings and pop-up. In pop-ups, I'm clicking on that pop-up, show pop-up. I can have like, see here, I can add, change and anything. I can change this form, pop-up form. So let me just modify, edit settings. And I want to have some part here, like in the pop-up, if you go here, pop-up, edit, I want to add some couple of fields. I'm just adding to couple of field here. Like I'm changing my video. I don't want this one. I'm just removing that one. Okay. I don't want to do this one. Like I don't want to do anything. I can just remove that one. Okay. Even though I can click on this part and awesome. So basically you can do this part. You can change it, whatever you want. Okay. You see here like all part here. Register book for seat now. Like anybody click on this one, secure your seat. In the form I'm changing, you secure your seat. And simply here they have some fields, guys. In the form there are some fields like email address. I can change email address. Click on this window here. I would do 3 things. Click on this button, email address. I want to have their name, first name. Then second, I want to have like first name ke andar I want to change like enter your name, right? Enter your name. Required. Enter your email address. Even the enter your mobile number. In input type, you can change input type, phone number, enter your 10-digit phone. 10-digit phone. Okay. Required, done. I will just go and save. Okay. Cool, guys. Cool so far. If anybody click on this button, like anybody here action, like even though you can send to Facebook opt anything like opt in, open the pop-up, submit order, anything. For now, I'm opening pop-up. Okay. Below you can have some part like same headline, what will you be learning, and anything like boss key, what you will learn. I can just copy paste here, like for now, for your understanding, what we will learn. I can just make it a little bit bigger here. Okay, you can make it bigger. Even though there are parts, some like secret one, you know, guys, here elements, sub headline or like secret one. I can click here. Iske andar mein just add plus button and paragraphs or anything like I can add some part here quickly. And change like secret 1, secret 2, secret 3. Secret 1, you will be learning this part. You will be learning secret 2. Here, guys, add subheadline. I can add one more element, bullet points. You will be learning this, how to get digital system, online funnel system. You can have your 3 secret, guys. That's the thing, nothing else. Okay. I can have the second part, bullet points and anything. Okay. So in nutshell, you can play with this, guys. You can play with this one, secret number 1, secret number 2, secret number 3. You can play with this one, guys. You can play with this one, even though they have beautiful thing, guys. If you see here, they have beautiful things. While doing all these things, guys, you can even watch the replay here at left side. This is the desktop review. You know, this is the desktop review. You can click on the mobile preview also. You see here, mobile preview अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. You can like, his headline is really crazy, right? Click on that button. Like this headline is really big, right? You can click on that gear button. And यहाँ पे option है mobile size, right? Mobile size is below here. Mobile size, click on that one and make it small. You know, guys, make it small. Like 20, right? I'm just making small. Because mobile से आपको 80% profit आ रहा है. That's the reason ClickFunnels is working fine, right? You can make it a little bit this small also. Mobile size and like 16. Awesome. You can do this part. If I want to look this button not looking good on the mobile, I'll just go and change in mobile size. Here is the option mobile size. Mobile size, I will just make a little bit 13 or like I will make some basically mobile size is there 16. How to copy paste this Facebook sponsor ad. And Sachin Kole, your option is not how to copy paste this Facebook ad sponsor ad means I'm not getting your point. Not required, guys. You need to maintain your word file, notepad, anything. Okay, you have to maintain that one. मैंने सब ready करके रखा है, इसलिए आपका headline, आपका point, आपका 3 secret, whatever they are going to learn, you have to prepare yourself. All of you just type in comment box point noted. Before building your funnel, you need to do that all of things. Okay, all of you just type in comment box point noted. Point noted. Okay. So that part you can do file here. I'm just copy pasting because I don't have that much time here right now. So you can do this part like about yourself. You know, guys, here I can tell like no, meet your trainer. I'm just adding here meet your trainer quickly. Sub headline I can add meet your host. I can even do like this intro, my intro, who I am and anything. I can just do this part quickly here. I will just remove this one. Okay, I will just add some more element plus sign. I want to add some like one column. and I want to add some like bullet points or something like sub headline or bullet points. I'll just add this about me. Okay, guys, I teach all these things in my next level products. Like basically in my automation mastery setup challenge, I do all those things. In case you're a gold member, please move forward, become a setup challenge member. Basically, you can do all this part here. Or even though I can just copy. And इसके अंदर दोस्तों beautiful thing क्या है पता है क्या? You can copy paste. You can copy all these modules. Suppose I want to copy this one, guys. I want to copy this one. Copy. I will just drag. इसको आप click करके drag and drop कर सकते हो. I want to just drag and drop below. Okay, I will just below this one. I want to add this one. Okay, what I will do now? Boom. Awesome, guys. पूरा copy paste कर सकते हो. Crazy things. Right now about Datta Tule, anything. In case I want to add some my photo, click on this one plus sign. I want to add my photo. Here is the option like image. Here is the image button. इसके बाद में click on this gear button and go image. I already uploaded. You see here, मैंने पूरा upload करके रखा है इसके अंदर. I have tons of image. You can do that part and add your image. Like you want to add image, you can upload. You can upload your images and you can do that part here. Basically, I'm just adding my photo here. Super cool. But now this photo is really big, right? And just I will go just click on that gear button and I will just make little bit small. Okay. यहाँ पे मुझे small करना है like 100. You know, guys, 100 or like suppose 200. I want to add 200. Even though themes are there, if you want to change some themes, you can change some themes. If you want to change advanced के अंदर आपको कुछ central करना है, left में लेना है, right में लेना है, you can do that part. Border के अंदर if you want to add border, full visible, shadow, full color, black and white. You can do anything, guys. Crazy tool. Okay, done. And guys, even though now I want to do one thing here quickly. Suppose this button is there, right? Crazy thing, guys. You see here, I want to tell you here, this button is, if you see here, this button, why click funnel? If you see this button is popping like dancing, guys, this button is dancing. How many of you are saying here? Dancing, dancing, dancing. That is the beauty of this one. This will help you optimize your funnel. Now, how this button can dancing? Okay. If I go on this button here quickly, like I will just make it a little bit bigger here. Here is an option like called advanced के अंदर कुछ option है animation advanced. Below option is there button effect. I can have effect like rocking or like rocking bonds. You see here, crazy. Because of this one, what happens? Your conversion rate will be increasing. Even icon picker, like I want to have some icon like arrow. Like arrow, I want to have some arrow here. Okay, arrow. If you see here, arrow is came there. This will help you increase your conversion, guys. आपका conversion increase होता है. That's the reason this is critical. I just duplicated, guys. I just duplicated. Click on this duplicate button. I'm giving this link. Just drag and drop below. Okay, awesome. Done, guys. Super awesome. This is my landing page done. At below bottom, what I can do? आपको यहाँ पे कुछ आपका guys, आपका यहाँ पे landing page change करो. Like I'm having, if you see here bottom, I'm copying this code. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ code post कर रहा हूँ. Like I'm telling you here, ये कुछ आपको एक code डालना है, guys. You have to enter this code, Facebook code. If you have to just add plus sign करो, plus sign, one column. And below this add element like sub headline or something like that one, because this Facebook के लिए बहुत important है code. If you are running ad on the Facebook, this gear button I'm just making little bit small. मैं थोड़ा बहुत small कर रहा हूँ उसको. I'm just adding like anything. If you see here, this color is not looking good. Black पे white नहीं दिख रहा है. Click on that one, and I can change the color to make it white. You see here, but size बहुत बड़ा है. I'm just making little bit small. Right, awesome. Okay, small size. Then even though I have suppose like all right, Rizzo Datta Tule, you can copy paste that one as per your brand. Okay, guys, you see here, I'm just adding. I will be just adding here copyright. All right, Datta Tule, copyrights, whatever may be here. You can add your links, guys. मेरा link है यहाँ पे landing page के ऊपर. मेरा privacy policy, my contacts is there. You can copy that part. You add your website and anything. Facebook में बहुत important है privacy policy and everything. If anybody click on this link, privacy policy, my privacy policy will be opening. Privacy policy, contacts, my website, anything they have. Okay, you have to add those buttons there. All of you clear? So my landing page is done now, guys. You see, all of you, my landing page is done. I can see the preview. Just save. But you can do much better way, guys. Do you think this is the crazy stuff? All of you, guys, do you think if you play with this tool, just like this little device, I'm telling you, you can build unlimited funnel. I'm having 20 funnel, guys. I'm having 20 funnel, all of you. I'm having 20 funnels and I'm creating crazy things. I play with that one. I don't need any designer, graphic designer, or anything. I can do my own stuff. All of you just type in comment box, super cool. You need to watch this video a couple of times. All of you just type in comment box, super cool. Hello. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, you have to play with this one. I'm telling you. You don't want to become a handicap. Which type of funnel you have, please tell. There are different funnels. I told you, sales funnel, webinar funnel. You can go and explore. Depends on your goal. आपका जो कुछ भी goal है, I told you, right? Whatever the goal you have, you can get that funnel. In the funnel checklist, I want to give some checklist. How many people on checklist? Type in comment box checklist. और just type in comment box checklist. मैं आपको checklist देता हूँ. I will give some checklist quickly so that you can do some checkups. Facebook and funnel live sessions. मैंने दिया था एक live session के अंदर, but I want to give checklist here so that you can follow that checklist. And then I will tell you how to do that one. Email आ जाएगा आप लोग सब लोगों को. Okay, in the one of the lesson मैंने आपको checklist दिया था actually. Like session 5, I given some checklist to you. Like funnel building strategies. My sample funnel and checklist. Okay, awesome. So what I will do some checklist. मैं आपको checklist देने वाला हूँ एक. The checklist, like funnel building, right? Click funnel के अंदर मैंने बोला आपको यहाँ पे your account is created, and I will give some like checklist. All of you, how many want checklist? All of you type in comment box checklist. Okay. So there is a checklist actually. आपको कुछ ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको बस checklist follow करना है, and then you are good to go. How many people are seeing my screen? Can we have direct product sale? Yes. You can have. Prachi, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ ना. I will show you now. I have different funnel, direct selling funnel. I will show you. Okay. All of you just type in comment box. Different funnel, guys. You have so many things in my advanced program. I'm teaching you. That is a Facebook domination program. If you are a Facebook domination program, मैंने आपको बताया बहुत सारा चीजें. But here are the things. Let me show you my templates. Like if you see here, there is a checklist. मैं आपको कुछ checklist बताने वाला हूँ पूरा. There are some steps. You can just cross check. If you have this is a little bit bigger list. आपका webinar का है तो you don't need that one, but definitely you can check out this checklist. Okay, bump of like great copy. You don't need this one, right? Like okay, you don't need this one. But in case you don't have an account, I'm telling you, you can go to this part. Click funnel account. You can create account and play, guys. when I was not earning 0 rupees, I was earning 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. तब से मैं use कर रहा हूँ. Okay. You can go to this https dattatoole.co/clickfunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels. That's I'm already having that part here. I'm just going to share, and you can just go and create that account here. Now checklist, guys. So what is the checklist? Let me tell you, your checklist funnel building के अंदर कुछ checklist है, मैं आपको guide करता हूँ. All of you ready? So let me see you. Suppose I have different funnel, guys. Let me take you on my screen quickly. I have some different funnel. Suppose I have this sample funnel. You guys can register. But now before I do the checklist, let's do some integration. This landing page is done. I can see the preview. मैं preview देख सकता हूँ. You see here, guys, I can see the preview, right? I can see the preview. Guys, do you think this is the cool landing page? अभी मैंने आपके सामने बनाया, guys. Do you think this is the cool landing page? Type in comment box super cool. आपके सामने बनाया राइस इन 30 मिनट के अंदर. मैंने लिंक दिया है, उसके लिए आपको अकाउंट होना चाहिए. शीतल, यस. This is done. Like I in front of you. This here headline, sub headline, attention. I done that one part. But inside that one, there is an option called integration. So how this will connect? How this will communicate with ConvertKit, guys? How this will communicate with ConvertKit? So in the integration, go to the integration. Click on the integration. I just selected right. मैंने select किया था like you have to like if you see dattatoole.co/test ConvertKit. I'm just clicking on that one action and add list with tag. Okay, I'm just adding to the list जो हम लोगों ने create किया था, right? Do you remember clear form 01? How many believe that one? 01, and I'm adding tag there. You can add tags, whatever tag you want to add tags. So I'm adding here webinar leads. That's it. If anybody register on that, register on this page, they will get into my ConvertKit account. I will show you live demo. Let's do live demo here. Okay. They will come into my ConvertKit account. And this is suppose my test account. ConvertKit, right? Because we done integration part in the last. Now I will go back. But the good thing here, anybody register, they will go to my thank you page. So I'm just modifying thank you page. Just edit thank you page. Same guys, congratulations, whatever you want to do, you can just modify with that one. You can join the groups, congratulations, check your email, ABCD. Same thing, you can modify that one, okay? Easy. इसके लिए आपको जरूरत नहीं है. So what I want to do guys, all of you, I want to do one thing here quickly. And guys, आपको ये link share करना है. In the funnel, if I go to the funnels, and I just created this like a JSON lead magnet funnel. You have to use this link. यहाँ पे अंदर पेज में मेन पेज आपको ये लिंक यूज करना है. लाइक आपको फेसबुक एड के लिए, ट्रैकिंग के लिए, किसी को देना है तो ये लिंक देना है guys. You have to copy this link. If you see here, if I open this link quickly, this link will open like this one, right? You see here, brand new. तो आपको ये लिंक देना है ऐसा. Okay? So now let's do guys. मैं आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिंक दे रहा हूं, all of you. Just go and register. Guys, go and register now. Go and register. Go and register right now. Let me show you. You can go and Sachin, everyone. Let me see if you guys are coming in my ConvertKit account. All of you. Once you register, go to that link, and this is my free funnel. Go and register. Like if you click on this pop-up, like click on that pop-up here, click on this one, enter your name, like suppose Datta. I'm having Datta, this one. 333 address like test. I'm just adding here. Add your mobile number and sign up. This is the like use. I'm just using this one. Okay, Datta 333 sign up. Boom. Congratulations. Thank you. Done. All of you done? So how to add the link? मैंने बताया आपको. Sonali, same thing. मैंने बताया. I hope I answer your question, right, Sonali? Done, guys. If you're done, type in comment box done. Let me tell you if people are coming in my email here. Let me just refresh my ConvertKit account. See, Prachi Pandit, congratulations, you are in. Chris is here. No. Okay, they have support system really good. Okay, all of you done? Prachi Pandit, done. Sachin Kolle, you are in. Congratulations. Darshan Singh, you are in. Guys, crazy? If you see here right now in my webinar attendee, webinar register, webinar lead, I can see you guys are here. Webinar leads. Okay, webinar leads ke andar. Done? Great. So guys, did you receive emails? All of you receive email? Guys, did you receive email? All of you, just check your email box. This email has been sent right now. Okay. Prachi, did you receive email? Super awesome. So if you see here, this is an amazing tool. In subscribers, I can create subscribers. And you can do crazy things. Okay, you see guys, all of you, Mamta and everyone. You see here guys, all people you are in. Mamta, Sachin, Vijay Kumar, Sachin Kole. And guys, list is the biggest list. I can communicate, I can upsell, I can downsell. Guys, आपको लोगों के मोबाइल नंबर, फोन नंबर is very important, guys. Do you think now? All of you receive email. Just type in comment box, great. All of you just type in comment box, great. Type in comment box, great. Because I will show you the checklist. बाकी में जो I have suppose guys in my Autopilot setup challenge, I have some advanced program like automation mastery where we can do whole automation and everything. You can do that part. But even though I want to show you some quick automation here quickly in ConvertKit, how they're getting email. So now let's do some basic automation, guys. Here in automation, you have to create one automation because we have the subscriber. Like you see here, we have this subscriber. हमारे पास subscriber तो है. We have this subscriber right now, okay? But how do you communicate? ये automatically नहीं होता है. I can see here today I got 12 leads like Rajendra Ingre and anything here. If you click on the automation, इसके लिए आपको paid plan होना चाहिए. Automation के अंदर मैंने कुछ automation create किया है. The only intention connect your आपका जो lead है list and your sequence. Automation sequence. In sequence you have to create the sequence. I already created, guys. मैंने already sequence create किया है. Webinar lead. We can create new sequence and give the name. That's fine. I already have created sequence. So suppose webinar जीरो इन रजिस्टर, मैंने सीक्वेंस क्रिएट करके रखा है. You see here, I have like email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4. I can do so many things there. Same thing, guys. Congratulations, you are in. मैंने publish किया है. When to send zero. As soon as anybody register, they will get email and publish. That's it. If you want to send day 1, day 2, you can suppose I have day 1. Like after day 1, I'm selecting day 1 and publish. You can do, but I'm the test account. You can do that part. But in automation, you have to communicate them. So how do you communicate? I'm already having this automation. What I will do, I will create automation, new automation. The only rule, guys, to communicate, create automation. There is a rule like, is the tag added? Suppose anybody registered for my ClickFunnels page, is the tag added? Suppose इसके अंदर कोई भी tag आता है, suppose anybody become my webinar lead. If you say webinar lead, add event. In add event, if anybody become a lead, plus sign, I want to add them into email sequence. Action, email sequence, and here is the one thing, email sequence, below आपको यहाँ पे देखा email sequence, right? I have created email sequence, right? Email sequence, I have this webinar 01 email sequence, done, boom. You see here, and you have to on this one, turn it on. So what will be happening, if anybody register from that part, you will get email, guys. That is the part. I've just created automation. You can go and watch this video. That's it. This is how you get it. But now, let me tell you here quickly how we can checklist. Let me tell you checklist. All of you ready for the checklist? मैं आपको एक checklist दे रहा हूँ. मैंने आपको funnel sharing किया है. I welcome you to the next levels. In 2 minutes, I will show you the checklist and then we'll wind up. I will have some question answer. Checklist. First part. Suppose I'm opening my landing page. मेरा दूसरा landing page dattadule.co/welcome-workshop. You can watch, guys. You can just hang on. आपको checklist क्या करना है? You see here, suppose ये मेरा landing page है. I have this direct selling funnel. ये मेरा funnel है. I can provide the templates. Below this video, I will be providing template. You can import and you can use. If you see a checklist के अंदर क्या है? Checklist first. Does it have curious headline? Check out. If they have the amazing headline, yes, I have. इसके बाद में does it have great sales copy, great sales video? Yes. In my case, I have sales video here. If you see here, I have sales video. Hey, are you sales video? Then we have like, does it have great graphic things on selling? Yes, I have this good graphic here. Even though you can contact Mosme and other team, get that one part. Are there any bonuses? Yes, I have these bonuses. If you have direct selling funnel, okay, webinar का बहुत easy है. Then does it have 30-day guarantee? Not compulsory. If you are giving guarantee, you can provide. That's fine. If you are not providing, that's cool. Does it have India के अंदर guarantee नहीं चलता ज़्यादा? I'm telling you. Does it have great call to action? Yes, call to action. Book my seat. This is my call to action. If anybody click on this one, call to action. Yes, have. Then is there any footer in your information? Footer है क्या? In the footer, if you see here, footer I can go, and this is my footer image. Like footer के अंदर है. This is the code is there. My privacy calling content is there. Then bump order is not compulsory. You can for us not required. Also, do you look at the page and think, oh my goodness, insane? I can't refuse. If anybody look at, you have to watch your ad copy. You can follow the checklist. So let me recap what we covered so far. Checklist मैंने दिया. You can watch this topic here quickly. Guys, I'm doing one thing. First of all, if you see here in my like checklist, मैंने आपको एक checklist बताया अभी यहाँ पे. We cover email automation, basic email automation. We build the funnel, and I have given the checklist now. Okay. So you can do this basic steps today here. You can create your ClickFunnels account. Click on the link below. Go and explore, guys. Go and explore. I will be doing more session on the ClickFunnels, how to use that one and everything. Okay, guys. How was the session? All of you now ask me some question. I will answer. 5 minutes. Guys, how was the session? Action pack. Normally, I don't share all of this stuff, guys. Normally, I don't share all of this stuff. Even though I can do crazy things. If anybody register on my ClickFunnels account, guys, if anybody register on my ClickFunnels account, I can send them automated email, automated SMS, and get that data into my even Google Sheet. मैंने आपको बताना भूल गया मैं. If anybody register, that you can do Zapier, but now we don't have that much time. You can come to my automation like Autopilot Setup Challenge or Automation Mastery. I will guide that. Okay. So guys, do you have any questions so far? Type in comment box. Okay. So Vijay Satpute, I'm a Facebook manager setup, and people section. I have added my wife's email address 5 days back, but status is pending, not approved. You need to approve. Vijay Satpute, what is your question? Facebook manager setups, they will approve. It will take some time. You have to wait for that one, and you have to provide your email address. Any question, guys? Any question? You need to watch this video at least 2 times. You need to watch, implement. All of you guys, watch, implement. Without implementing, nothing will happen. All of you guys, point noted. Now, this is correct. Without implementing, you have to watch, guys. I am doing for this at least 2 years now. आप 2 बार देखेंगे ना, your life will be easy. All of you guys, your life will be easy. You can have control. You can outsource, and you can do crazy things. Okay, you have to get your hands dirty. How many are ready to get your hand dirty? You have to put your hands in the bucket. All of you just type in comment box ready. Jyoti, Mamta, Nandakishore, Prachi. I have showed you $1 million ideas. All of you guys, that part is there. And I would like to hear from you, all of you. I just shared that today's session was very good, but little bit fast. Chandrasekhar, we have limited time. How much? It's already 90 minutes, 2 hours. You have to watch that, because if I do this, it will take whole day. Chandrasekhar Panda, you have to go, stop, pause, or implement. Pause, implement. Pause, implement. At least 2-3 times you need to watch. Chandrasekhar, type in comment box, point noted. आपको 2-3 बार देखना पड़ेगा. Okay? Trust pilot. So, point noted, Chandrasekhar, point noted. Yes. Now, guys, can you do me one favor? Normally, I charge thousands of rupees, 10,000, 20,000 rupees for this one. Rakesh, you can ask question. You can ask the question. Guys, if you love this stuff, if you like this stuff, मैं आपको एक ट्रस्ट पायलट का लिंक दे रहा हूं, and I want you to please go and watch. Sachin, do you have that link, a next level link? Sachin, do you have autopilot setup link जो आपने शेयर किया था? The funnel we make is similar, the landing page. Same, guys, same thing. Can you share the links? Share the links. Please share that link quickly. To click on pop-ups, some people time think they are fraud. No, without visiting website, even I have paid through Beam before knowing you. But now you are genius. Awesome, Rameshwar. Great. So guys, Sachin, please get that link handy setup challenge. Guys, I want to do one thing here. Can you do one? Sachin, wait karo thoda. Wait karo, guys. Wait, guys. Sachin, और निकालो. अरे वो लिंक क्या दिया आपने यहाँ पर? रिमूव. गाइस, इग्नोर द लास्ट लिंक. इग्नोर करो. सचिन, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने आपको वो वीडियो लिंक वाला बोला था. ऑटो पायलट प्रोग्राम. सचिन, आई विल गाइड यू हियर ब्रीफ. ऑटो पायलट प्रोग्राम में बताता आपको. सचिन, कैन यू डू प्लीज स्टॉप दैट वन? सो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर आई शो यू हियर, I want to, how many people want to know what is inside Autopilot Setup Challenge? Let me take you on my screen. Dosto, I have Autopilot Setup Challenge. I want to show you exactly what is there. If you see here on my screen, I have this program called Autopilot Setup Challenge. This is crazy stuff, guys. Crazy advanced program. We have like getting started and everything, like Autopilot Setup Challenge journey, how to make decisions, how to set up roadmap from Autopilot Setup Challenge, and mostly what we are going to cover. Sachin, get that link जो मैंने आपको बोला था वीडियो है लैंडिंग पेज का. So basically, if you see here, business setup, foundation setup, all of you, everything is there. Business setup, foundation setup, budgeting, how to manage your money, how you can start with the minimum, branding, domain, how to buy domain, how to build website, how to build a branded website, branded email, website setup. I will be teaching you how to build your website, email marketing, webinar system, online knowledge portal, funnel system, private network, payment gateway, tracking system, automation, basic automation, integration, and everything is there. So this is the like setup challenge. And if you see, guys, this is a setup challenge. Even though in my automation mastery, if you go my hub here, hub.dattadula.com, in hub, I have called program called automation. You will be having Siddharth some of the videos, but in my automation mastery all courses, in automation mastery there is a full automation, guys, full automation. That is the advanced program, but I'm telling you, just informing you. And I'm just loading here automation mastery. Automation mastery is here. Okay, automation mastery. You see here automation mastery. In automation mastery, there are crazy things. You see here Guys, full crazy things. Learning and lead automation, crazy things. You see here, like pull up that one, like how to use strategy, tagging, autoresponder, advanced, everything is there. Webinar automation, chatbot, SMS automation, appointment system automation, chatbot automation, advanced tracking automation, reporting automation. So many things are there. So what I can do right now, I cannot tell you anything, everything here, but I will tell you one thing here. So basically, and second guys, 1 second, I'm telling you, I will give one link to you. You can go and watch that video later on. Okay, so what I'm doing, guys, I'm giving one link in the chatbot or in the below here. You can go and watch inside that one. Okay, there is a special deal also. You can go. I have given the link below. You can go and watch inside. Not compulsory for everyone. You can go and click on that link and watch that 30-minute video. I don't know when you are watching, but you can watch what is inside that program. You can watch that one. That was the 30-minute video, I think 10-15-minute video. All right, so welcome to this lesson here, Datta, this side. You can go and check out, okay? You can go and check out. All of you, okay? Guys, do you have any questions so far? So if you love this session, I would like to see you in the next level also. But if you love this stuff, I'm giving one link quickly below. Hey, hi, Datta, this side. I hope you enjoy this video. You made a lot of notes, whatever I told you, like order the tools, software, strategies, behind the scene, all. This is exactly happened, guys. There is no push button. There is no push button. I showed you exactly how do you take your business from 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 2 lakh to 3 lakh, 3 lakh to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, and more using system without hiring any people. Okay, if you like this video, if you love this lesson, share your comment below. What did you learn? How do you think about this? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, subscribe button. Please share with the people. Also, I invite you for my upcoming program, or you can click on the button below, check my Facebook nomination program, even though my upcoming workshop, and I would love to work with. Okay, until then, signing off for today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and take massive action. Thank you very much. Let's meet live in the upcoming lesson. Love you all. Take care. Dhanyavad.